Hello viewers, welcome to Longhack YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you how to play the local audio from the assets or from the folder in the Flutter development series. So if you are new in the Flutter development, then you can also follow the course that we already uploaded on our YouTube channel, and here we uploaded some of the videos. I will put the link in the description of the video so that you can also check these videos and learn the Flutter mobile development series. So in this video we will learn how to play the local audio file, and first we will add the dependencies, and then we will import the files and add the assets in the asset folder and write the function to play the audio. So first I will use this plugin assets audio player. I will use this asset audio player and copy this, and then I will add this in the pubspec.yml file. After the dependency Flutter, make sure you add the proper space before adding this package, and after pressing Ctrl S, and here you can see the flutter.bat pub get running. This will add this package in your Flutter project. So if it is not working, then you have to write the command flutter pub get to include this package in your Flutter project. So here you can see the running Flutter pubget in alignment and 1.7 seconds to complete this package to include in their project. So I will close this file, but so after adding the dependency I will import the file and also add the assets. So to include the assets, just uncomment this file or the lines that is present in the pubspec.yml file. Just uncomment this and include the folder flutter assets.audios/, and here I already created the flutter assets folder and also the audio folder, and here in the audios folder sounds.mp3 file is present. So here you have to include the folder where the sound.mp3 file is present. You can change this sound.mp3 file name, but you must have to include that folder here, otherwise it will not work fine. So after adding this, just Ctrl+S button to save this file, and now I will add the dependencies or to import the file. So you import the file, you have again check the import file and also copy paste this. So I am present in the body tag where I already created the raised button with the child and text that will shown is the play sound, and on pressing this button this function will run on play audio. So here you can see on the emulator that the play sound audio button is present, and now we will write some logic here to play the audio from this asset folder. So now first we will create the object of the assets audio player. So now we have created the assets audio player object, and now we will use this object assets audio player dot open, and now here we have to add the file audio file, and here I will use the audio function to include the audio file here. So here you have to write the path of your audio file, that is the flutter assets/audios/sound.mp3 file. So now this is the function that will run when we press the on play audio. Just I will save this and reload this application by pressing the R button. So once it is reloaded, and now I will press the play sound button to run the audio. So here you might listen a very light music. So in this way you can run the audio file in your Flutter project. So hope you will enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, just hit the like button and also subscribe this channel, and also you can follow the course that we already uploaded on our YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description of the video.